Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Driving this T5M at night, I noticed one of the headlights was pointed into the trees. But when I pull up to this garage door, the left one appears to be correct. The right one appears to have a broken beam. So you see here is a beam here, and here's another beam. Usually when you have a broken beam like that, you have a light bulb that is not installed in its holder correctly in the light assembly. So I'm going to access that and get that bulb installed correctly to correct that beam. The right side of that stray beam hits up in the trees pretty high and probably blinds people when you go around corners and stuff like that. See, that right beam is a lot better now. Somehow, somebody put that light bulb in upside down. When it was upside down, the part of the beam that was supposed to be pushed on the ground was actually pushed up in the trees. This left bulb was installed correctly. You see this flat point here? That is supposed to go up in the air. So this bulb was installed correctly. The other one was installed upside down. So if you look back here, you can see that there's a flat spot in the top of the light assembly where that bulb sits. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.